Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is a very clean 2017 Boston Whaler 23 Outrage. The 23 was totally redesigned for 2017. They did a little bit nicer seating package on the inside, a little bit more unique there, gives the boat a little bit more comfort. This boat is only about 2 months old, and the owner is going to go with more of a cabin style boat. Only 37 hours in that Verado. She does have the really cool hardtop here, powder coated T-top, the white 350 as you can see here. The boat's got the fishing package, recirculating bait wells, tons of storage all the way around. Captain's chairs, this is traditional right here, and this back seat actually lays down, makes into a little bench seat in the back. Over here we've got the Evos, big 12-inch screen, GPS chart plotter, bottom machine, tilt steering wheel, very comfortable seating. This one does have the full combing bolsters all the way around. Comfortable seat right here as well. Fully enclosed head underneath the console. Big fish boxes in the back and a rear seat that folds out. So anyways, recap, this is a 2017 Boston Whaler 23 Outrage. Available here at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give me a call. Again, I'm the listing broker. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw. My number is 941-376-3345. Thanks for taking the time. I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.